Hello, Dr. Lenz here, and I'm going to point out why missing items of a works cited entry is very problematic. So let's take a look at the Adam Holmes entry here. So first, all we have is an author, a website, and a year. This doesn't really help us much. Also, it is all incorrectly in italics. So, with a works cited entry, a reader should be able to go to that entry and maybe run a quick Google search, and that particular item, article, or whatever should pop right up. When I run a Google search, that does not. First, we get results on Adam Holmes, the author, but we also really just get pointed to his profile page at Cinema Blend. So we are at least in the right spot. We have the author's bio, we have a list of articles, etc. Problem. He has written a lot of articles. I stopped counting at 300. So without article name, we don't know what's being referenced here. We might be able to pick it up from the context within the essay, but most likely not. Author, article or page title, website, date of publication, date of access. These are very important things. They all have a purpose in the works cited entry, and without them, we start to get a breakdown of being able to try to find this information. Okay, so hopefully this helps.